In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share large files on Telegram channels. This method is perfect if you need to distribute documents, videos, software, or any other large files to your audience through your Telegram channel. Telegram supports files up to 2 GB in size, making it one of the best platforms for file sharing. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open Telegram Desktop on your computer. This works best on desktop because dragging and dropping files is much easier than on mobile devices. Once Telegram Desktop is loaded, navigate to your channel. You can find your channel in the left sidebar under your chat list. Click on it to open the channel interface. Now, the easiest way to share a file is to simply drag and drop it directly into the channel window. Locate the file you want to share on your computer. Click and hold it, then drag it over to the Telegram channel window and release. The file will automatically start uploading. Alternatively, if you prefer using the menu options, click on the paperclip icon at the bottom of the channel window. This will open a menu with different attachment options. From the menu, click on File. This will open your computer's file browser. Navigate to the location where your large file is stored. Select the file you want to upload by clicking on it once to highlight it. Once you've selected the correct file, click the Open button in the file browser. The file will now appear in the message composition area, ready to be sent. Finally, click the Send button to upload and share the file with your channel subscribers. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, the upload may take a few moments. Once complete, your file will be available for all channel members to download. And that's it. You've successfully shared a large file on your Telegram channel using 2 simple methods. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.